In today's video, I'm going to teach you automatically sort new rows in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to stay organized without having to manually sort it every time new data is added, this is a simple and very useful setup. We're going to create a separate tab that automatically displays your data in sorted order, so as new rows appear in your main sheet, the sorted version updates for you. To get started, open your Google Sheet and create a new tab. This new tab will be used to show the automatically sorted version of your data. Keeping the sorted results on a separate tab is helpful because it allows your original data entry sheet to remain untouched, while the new tab handles the organization for viewing or reporting. Next, click into cell A2 of that new tab and enter the formula equals sort. Then open parentheses, followed by your source range. A comma, the column number to sort by. Another comma, and the sort direction. The example formula is equals sort open parentheses sheet 1 exclamation point. A2:E, comma 1. Comma true, close parentheses. This tells Google Sheets to take the data from columns A through E, starting in row 2, and sort it by the first column in that selected range in ascending order. You'll want to update the part that says sheet 1. A2, E so it matches the name of your own data entry tab and the actual range where your data lives. For example, if your source tab has a different name, replace sheet 1 with that tab name. Also make sure the column range matches the section of data you want to sort. This is important because the formula only sorts what you include in that range. You can also change the number 1 in the formula. That number represents the index of the column you want to sort by within the selected range. So if you are sorting by the first column in your range, use 1. If you want to sort by the second column in that same range, use 2, and so on. This gives you flexibility depending on how your sheet is structured. Finally, if you want the sort order to be descending instead of ascending, change true to false. True sorts from lowest to highest, or A to Z, while false reverses the order. Once that's set, your new tab will automatically reflect sorted data as new rows are added to the original sheet. Thanks for watching.